Hi Chris, thanks for asking about this beautiful Yukon SLT. It's a 2015. It's immaculate. It is such, like we talked on the phone, it's just a fabulous color. It's a nice take on gray. I just did the remote start and I'm just opening the tailgate now with the remote. You notice that it does have folding power mirrors, and inside those mirrors you're going to see your turn signals and your blind spot protection. And you also have lane departure warning, memory seats. You can see dual power seats with your air conditioned and heated, adjustable pedals. You've actually got a heated steering wheel here too. If I push that little button, you're going to see the light up. So it's quite the vehicle. We have the owner's manual, it's got navigation, it's got a sunroof, it's got DVD. Very nice interior. It's like a two-tone tan and brown. Very nice. You got power folding rear seats also. You can fold the seats in back. You've got floor mats. You've got a little bit of storage. Excellent tires, beautiful wheels, running boards. Vehicle's in excellent condition. It's got 56,000 miles on it. It's got a smart key. And it's here, it's available. I'll give you the information about shipping also. 954-406-1433, Fritzi at Delray Buick GMC. Thank you.